The old typewriter sat untouched in the corner of my new apartment, keys yellowed but gleaming faintly in the moonlight. I found it hidden in a dusty closet, a brittle slip of paper still clamped in its jaws. "Do not write." I laughed, curiosity winning over caution, and fed in a fresh sheet, fingers itching for inspiration. I typed, "A cold wind rattles the window." Instantly, the glass shivered behind me, and icy air swept through the room, chilling my skin. Heart pounding, I wrote, "A shadow moves across the wall." A long, spindly figure slithered along the peeling wallpaper, its head turning slowly toward me. My hands trembled as I typed, "It approaches." The shadow peeled itself from the wall, stretching into a gaunt, faceless form that loomed closer. I tried to stop, but my fingers moved on their own, spelling, "It whispers my name." The voice slithered into my ear, cold and wet, freezing my blood. I screamed, but the typewriter clacked relentlessly. "I cannot move." My body froze, breath stilled, trapped in invisible chains. The last words my hands typed against my will. "It sits at the typewriter now." I watch from the wall, screaming silently, as the shadow takes my place and waits patiently for the next curious soul to write their fate.